Dan untuk selanjutnya kita akan berangkat untuk AFC. Mohon doanya buat tim PSM, semoga bisa memberikan hasil yang terbaik di sana.
Hari ini kita akan mengadakan PostMatch Pertandingan dari Liga 1 pekan ke-12 pertandingan antara PSM Makassar versus Pertandingan untuk.
Selamat malam. First, I want to say terima kasih for our supporters come to the stadium. For us means too much because the support was fantastic and we know the sacrifice that they make to come to Pare Pare. Also, I want to say terima kasih for Mr. Aksa come to this match and speak with the players. It's very important for all the group. About the game, we have more goal attempts than Barito, more opportunities, more shoots to the goal. 6 versus 2. Also goal attempts 6, 7 versus 1, 2. Corners, we have more corners on the first half. They have more corners on the second, but on the total, I think was more or less the same. I think it was a good game, very difficult game. As you saw, we have many young people in our team. Some of them on the bench, some of them playing. I think it's good. But to have good team, bagus players. So it was a very important win. And I want to speak also about Wazi team. I think they make good job on the goal that they put offside, because it was offside. But after, I don't understand. For our players, it's very easy to show kartu kuning. I'm not saying that is not kartu kuning, but see, this is kartu kuning. You can see, this is minute 89. Minute 89. If this is kartu kuning, I have hair on my head. If this is kartu kuning, look to my head. I'm not butak now. I have hair on my head, because this is mera card. This is aggression. We have players that with less catch tiga matches. So this is the difference when it's PSM Makassar. We record our games in all the stadiums that we play. Sometimes in those are not show, but we want to show, we want to share, we want to improve the football on Indonesia. So the first clip that you're gonna see, it's 44 minutes. See what number 23 Kipu make to our player Everton Spulu. See, and after it's the clip that I speak before, that number 89 must have Merah. On the first clip, Kipu not get kartu kuning, it's amazing. And on the second, 1 Merah card, because this is aggression, the ball is in the other side, and give kartu kuning. I speak with the four Wasit, the 4 referee, and he say that he give the signal to him. So if he not accept the teammate decision, why he bring better who's pay to the Wasit, just not let go this guy and he go to make the game alone, because this is very weird. Also, he give 5 minutes, we not make bullshit on these 5 minutes, and after he put 7 minutes extra time. So please, respect our work.
Kalau misalnya menarik jersey, apa harusnya hukumannya? Katanya, dan ini
I'm speaking this because if you remember, our last match was on Sleman, and they scored a fantastic goal, but 5 meters front of the referee, before the player of Sleman make the fantastic goal, is full. Number 6, Ayub, make this to Ananda. So this is why I am push, because this kind of decisions not respect our players, our work. So I go to show now the clip. First moment, 44 minutes. Number 23 need to give kartu kuning, not give. The second moment, 89 need to get merah card.
Dan menit ke-89 harusnya ini adalah pelanggaran yang berbuah kartu merah, menyikup.
Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam. Ya, untuk pertandingan sore ini, alhamdulillah kita bisa meraih kemenangan. kami pemain dan tim mengucapkan terima kasih buat supporter yang datang ke stadion hari ini, dan buat supporter yang di rumah terima kasih. Dan untuk selanjutnya kita akan berangkat untuk AFC. Mohon doanya buat tim PSM, semoga bisa memberikan hasil yang terbaik di sana. Kemudian saya berharap teman-teman yang cedera bisa fit kembali, dan yang belum datang mungkin bisa bergabung dengan tim PSM Makassar. Terima kasih.
Mungkin soal di luar dari hasil pertandingan, coach, tadi kan ada pertemuan dengan Pak sendiri, mungkin ada bocoran dari coach sendiri soal pertemuan tersebut, kemudian apakah tetap akan melelang baju dan pialanya yang seperti yang dikatakan kemarin, ataukah seperti apa, coach? Izin.
Yes, of course, we still continue. This is our offer. The target is with the money we can offer this to our staff. I think it's important. They have difficulties. We have our difficulties, and is in the difficult moments that we see who are with us or not. Yeah, Mr. Aksa, yes, Mr. Aksa be with the team today was fantastic. It's very important the team feel the board near. So what we speak, it's inside, not outside. Sorry, but everybody happy to see him here, and he bring luck to us because we won. So we need him more time, and also the supporters, fantastic. They come today, and I hope that they come next match. We play at home with the same enthusiasm. Terima kasih. If you remember, I got to repeat what I say on the press conference before the match. I think it's very important that everybody understand that Indonesia football, the ranking, if Bali, PSM Makassar catch points on international matches, Indonesia ranking go up. It's not just the national team that put ranking of Indonesia up, okay? So, before our match against Bali, because Bali go to play Hong Kong playoff, Liga switch and put us play away, and we respect we go. Now we ask to Liga to not make our game on 24 here on Pare Pare, because we just arrived on Indonesia on 23. So come from Vietnam, arrive on Indonesia on 23, and we can make game on 24. We are not Manchester City. We don't have a charter to go to direct near of the stadium. Forget. So I want that you try to also send this message. We suggest to put the game away on Borneo, because the flight connection to Samarinda is more easy to us, and we can play on 25 or 24, I don't care. But please put this game away, because to have connection to Makassar, it's difficult, and after Makassar we make 4 hours to Pare Pare. The players are not machines, are not robots. So if Indonesia respect the work that these boys make last season and try to make this season to catch points on to Indonesia, please. What is the difference between Bali and PSM Makassar? I not have nothing against Bali. I respect Bali. I just want that the Liga respect also PSM Makassar.